Here we're looking at the Dow on the 60-minute chart. We talked about the potential for this to continue a little bit on Thursday, and we said we could be seeing a very important range. If we saw the break, that we would really see a very sizable move, and if we saw this continue to try to drive, we could be just seeing this try to gasp a little higher. That's exactly where we are right here. We see this test this 16,800. We know this is pretty good resistance, and we also see a little bit of divergence here on the action from the prior range. We still see that hesitating a little bit. Had a very nice move the prior day here, but now we're starting to see this kind of have a little bit of, on today, it had a very nice bull move here, very nice bar, but toward the end we started seeing this give back a lot of ground here. But we're at the prior swing range near this 16,600. I watch for any dip under there. I think could start to signify a deeper corrective action here over the next day here. But if we're going to see anything, we may see a little bit of a bounce tomorrow as they try to follow through on the day. But I feel that we're starting to see a little hesitation in the upside as prices move back to some seriously critical areas that we've talked about in the past. I'm going to just move quickly into the daily, you'll see what I mean. That it gave back a little bit as it started hitting this moving averages here. Also, really, I gave a little bit of back right there and started trying to give that back toward the end of the day. So we'll see if it tries to gas back. We didn't see it break over the 50-day moving average, so it's still not up and above that range, but so far still holding that 16,800 range. We'll watch that really carefully. But if it starts to fail, I would think that you could see that by Monday, corrective action starting to break either to the downside here, or we see that big continuation. If we see that big continuation, a good move over the 800 range, and especially this 50-day, we would really see a nice surge higher, another easy 300 points to the upside. So it's going to be really crucial for everybody to really have some definitive feel for the trend direction just yet. If you're looking too closely on this action and we look at the retracement levels, we could see that here's the 50%, but here's your 61% retracement level. So it really held that range, and you have the 50-day above there. So you can see why, from a technical standpoint, and we have a prior low here, so we've got a lot of resistance coming in this move. We've had a pretty good extended move for some time, and although it's looking like it's wants to go positive here, we want to make sure that there's that commitment over this price range, and we're not going to just see this try to gasp and then start to make that break, as on the short-term count we saw a 5-wave move and showing some divergence there. So traders need to be mindful that that's what we're looking for, to see if what clues we're having is it starting to exhaust this upward rally here.